I really appreciate the relationship that I'm cultivating with God and with my ancestors, because with me being adopted and not having parents or family outside of my kids, it can get very it can get very it can get strange out here and scary when you feel like you're alone, living in hell, having to protect innocent kids. And like that's the narrative that I was living. But you don't live in hell, you live on earth. Okay? And even though it gives hell a little bit, it can also give heaven if you allow it.